Hello students. In today's video of Matplotlib, I am going to discuss about designing of graphs using Pylab and then labeling of graphs. The import file needed are import numpy as np, and to use Pylab, import Pylab as py. These are the two import files needed to proceed with the graphical content. Then x is equal to np dot linspace minus 10 to 10. Suppose 25 values are there. Then y is equal to the first graph 2x minus 23. Then pi dot plot x comma y. Let the color is red. Then py dot show. Then execute the content. X comma y are okay. O is required here. This one is the content. Minus to 10 to 10, 25 values are there. Suppose I am writing 15 here. I can print the data accordingly. 15 values are there. Let the second graph is, let this one is y1. Let the second graph is y2. Suppose I am writing minus 7x plus 11. Suppose this one is the second graph. Then pi dot plot x comma y2. Let the color is green. Now execute again. Okay, comma is required here. Look at this one. This one is the second graph. Let the third graph is y3 is equal to 17 minus 11x. Py dot plot x comma y3 and let the color is blue. Then execute the program again. These are the three graphs. Designing of graph using Pylab. Then inserting of titles py dot legend. Suppose I am writing here labels. Then line 1, line 2, line 3. Suppose these are the titles. You can represent the content line 1, line 2 and line 3. Okay. You can write the content like this also. Y is equal to 2x minus 23, like this. You can represent the content like this. Y is equal to 2x minus 23, and second line as 11 or minus 7x plus 11, and third as 17 minus 11x, like this. You can represent the content like this. Here you can write y is equal to like this. You can represent the content y is equal to 2x minus 23, y is equal to minus 7x plus 11, then y is equal to 17 minus 11x. After that, the labeling, the second part, py minus dot title then inside round bracket you can write here linear graphs. Now execute it. You can write here linear graph at the top. Okay. Second one, suppose I have to write x-axis and y-axis. Then I can write x label. Whatever the content you would like to write, x-axis. Then py dot y label, y-axis. Now execute the program. You can write accordingly x-axis, y-axis, then linear graphs, and this content represents all the three lines. Blue colored line y is equal to 17 minus 11x. If I am changing this content, you can change the graph accordingly. You can change the content. If I am writing plus here, you can design accordingly like this one. Automatic shifting is there. Where the place is sufficient, it will display the content. You can copy this value and paste here because I am changing this value. You can delete this one and you can execute the program. You can display accordingly y is equal to 117 plus 11x. You can save the program, save image, then mat 4. You can save the content. This one is the graph. This one is the graphical content, linear graphs. Labeling is there, x-axis and y-axis. These are the values minus 10 to 10 and these are the values of y. This one is the explanation with the help of legend. Hope you enjoy the content, and in the next video I will discuss about PLT dot figure and how to set the labeling inside that and how to design the graph using that part. Thanks for watching my video.